Welcome back into the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. Today we can see meme coins are absolutely on the rise and are shining once again. Many of these sort of stable flagship tokens right here have pumped massively over the last 24 hours. So memes are looking strong. The narrative is strong. In this video we will explore 5 meme coins I'm getting into and already hold that do have potentially 10 to 100,000x potential. So let's have a little look at this. Can you flip 10k into 100k? Is it possible? And also, what coins am I actually looking at here? Because there's a few new ones that I'm very keen to share with you. So 54.2 billion is the MC right now, and on Crypto Bubbles you can see Bonk is paving the way. It's in the limelight. We've got Floki, Shiba following quite closely just behind, and we have Core as well. And of course, basically the whole market is looking green and also almost flashing green on the week following the recent correction we had. So we've had the Bitcoin halving. Hopefully over the next few months we'll also see the real effects of this sort of settle in. Now let's jump in to coin number one. Remember, this is not financial advice, but hopefully we can see some big gains with these coins right here. So 72 on the greed index, so market is feeling again a little bit bullish. So let's jump into coin number one, which indeed is DogeVerse. $8.8 million raised for this meme coin. It's in an ICO phase, which is a pre-sale. But guess what, guys? This is unique and like no other out there. You can buy this across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different chains. You can buy it across ERC20, BEP20, Polygon, Avalanche, Base, and Solana, which is coming soon, making it the most sort of robust, versatile meme coin out there. And of course, it gives it a lot of interoperability, but we'll also have all these trading pairs supporting the ecosystem with volume and overall liquidity. So one DogeVerse is 0.0003, 1 day, 20 hours, ladies and gents, until the price goes up yet again. So it makes sense to get in before that price goes up so you can get more tokens for every dollar that you wish to put into DogeVerse. Overall, good ecosystem, 122% per annum on the estimated rewards here on the staking side of things. I personally prefer not to stake because I like to have full control of my liquidity and sell my tokens whenever I want to, because of course these things can be volatile. Launching on 6 stellar chains. Cosmo, the chain hopping doge. So Cosmo is this little dog right here. He is the main character. He is the one that's going to hopefully guide us to millions. Now the roadmap is strong, it's clear, and it's got purpose. You can see it starts at phase 1 with the big bang, then it moves through to phase 2, 3, 4, and then 5, which hints at the first centralized exchange listings, and that is in plural. That is indicating to me that we could possibly see more than one centralized exchange. Bullish tokenomic structure with 200 billion total supply on the token side of things. 15% of the overall supply is allocated to you guys and myself, overall public buyers that can get into the token with 30 billion tokens right there. So it does look very good. Hopefully we can see some parabolic movements for this particular ecosystem. 6.9k followers, and you can see they're really pushing themselves as the multi-chain Doge themed meme coin out there. Coin number 2 will be Book of Meme, which I think is a real silent sleeper out here in the crypto markets. $600 million market capitalization at the moment. What's so interesting about Book of Meme? It started off as an experiment on the Solana chain. I mean, look how crappy and rubbish this website is. Yet it is worth millions. It's worth absolutely millions. And we're seeing a 50% correction, and I hope to God that we're going to see this thing fly up soon. 0.011, I think 2 to 3x is still possible from here. Lots of market accessibility. It is on Binance, it is not on Coinbase, but it is on a lot of big tier 2 exchanges as well. So $600 million MC at the moment, and I think looking at the last month, we really want to see us retest 0.018. Last 7 days, however, are looking quite bullish as it enters a new uptrend. Coin number 3 will be Camoto. Camoto is a new disruptor in the markets. It's on the BEP20 chain, and it's a cat, not a dog. So this is something quite, I want to say new and interesting. Cats rule the world, unbelievable. We've got the cat contract address right there. It says 3 steps to get to know the project. New meme economic. So Kata is the token symbol. My boys cats. Ilu Meow Natty, mysterious cat group that secretly rules the world. Then 3, Camoto 4. Now what makes this special is the 19,000 BNB they've got on deck for buybacks. 95% is allocated to the community. 5% of the supply is allocated to influencers and calls, 100% token generation event, and then all the unsold tokens are burnt, and they have been burnt, which means they go into a wallet that you can't pull those tokens back out of. Now, where do the funds actually go? Well, 1% is used for liquidity, then 99% for massive lifelong buyback. So this is it, folks. It's already trading live. I will put a link down below. You can see it's holding so nice, so stable. Already has pumped 2.4x since its inception and has done a 50% correction and is showing good signs of a recovery right here, up 44% over the last day or so. So looking good. And on the 4-hour time frame, you can really see how you're getting those 2 consecutive green candles, and the price could still be heading up as it is in an uptrend, but it's hard to say exactly where it's going to go. We need the overall markets to flip bullish. Statistics: 27 million market cap, 2.58 million liquidity, isn't locked in, 13,000 holders, very low. 99 over 99 on the DEX tools score. So this is coin number 3, guys. Check it out, link down below. What do you think about this one? Coin number 4 will be Slofana, inspired by Book of Meme and Send to Soul ecosystems or pre-sales. Solana has only 7 days, 17 hours remaining, guys. So make sure you take a look at this particular pre-sale. It's down below. Convert your Solana into Slofana if you wish, if you are bullish on this. Remember, it's not financial advice. One sol will get you 10,000 Slof tokens, and overall looks really good. So when you get into this one in 7 days time, they'll wrap up the pre-sale, they'll release the claim date, and then you manually claim your tokens into your Phantom or Solana DeFi wallet. So it looks really good. The Sloth is the overall character here. He is the guy that basically is the face of the show. And we can see, looking at the Twitter, 22.5k followers, and overall tons of engagements on every single tweet that goes out. Thousands of impressions. Looks really good. I just love the artwork here with Slofana. It looks really, really good. Moving on, we have coin number 5, which is Shiba Inu. And I think really, if you're a meme coiner, Shiba Inu is definitely one to look at. But buying it right now is risky. I would not be buying it right now. However, what we can learn from this is a lesson from last time. If you look at the relative strength index, I was saying to you guys, buy it when it's at 20, buy it when it's at 30. On the 4-hour time frame, the RSI goes down to those low levels, which reflects fear, reflects anxiety in the markets. Now, you can see since then has done a 50% pump to the upside, which is huge. It is absolutely huge, guys. So that's a big pump right there. And keep your eyes peeled on projects like this one, because Shiba Inu is timeless. It's always going to be here, but right now it has done a pump, so I'm holding off buying anymore as it is getting rejected at that 0.2815 level. So there it is, everyone. 5 meme coins that could potentially 10 to 100,000 x your money. Can you flip 1,000 into 100,000? Is it possible? Well, DogeVerse launches around 15-20 mil market cap. A 50x is indeed possible with this one. But yeah, this is a summary. DogeVerse, coin number 1 on this particular video. Coin number 2 is Book of Meme, the Solana meme coin. Coin number 3 is Camoto, the overall BNB cat, which is already trading live, as we can see. Coin number 4 is Slofana, the Solana-based sloth. Coin number 5 is the OG Shiba Inu. Guys, ladies and gents, thank you for watching this 99 Bitcoins YouTube video. If you are new here, do subscribe. And if you want to get to know me a little bit better, I'm Jacob, and you can come and join us or say hello in my crypto Discord, Jacob's Crypto Clan. With everything here from trading signals to insights, early news on big DEX coins, pre-sales, absolutely everything. Trading signals for every single coin you can think of, Bitcoin signals, the whole lot. It's all down in my Discord, so come and say hello down there too. See you soon. Thanks for watching, and do stay crypto safe. Let me know what else you want to see on the channel, and we'll try and push out more news and content that suits your needs. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your weekends, and yeah, I think the market's looking pretty good. Bitcoin halving has happened, and we should hopefully see some more continuation here in the markets. Take care.